Amen! 1, 2, 3! Busay Tangan!
Good morning! Time check, it's 5 a.m. Kaya Carla. Gibatang yung dollar. Ano hindi siya, guys? Drip and brew gani. Bulldog.
Wala ngayon, kudriya yun.
Costume. Pinmuk. Sunscreen. This is my perfume, guys, from Nordstrom collection. Scent of NS Curry. Wala mo t-shirt good. Let's go, Summer Waves. Okay, time check, it's 6:31 a.m. So we're going to multiple
gym.
So we're going to Babak Gym.
Catch us later at Sports Complex Tagum.
No, Lord, ikaw na.
We will compete and will represent Igakos.
Hey, let's go. So we're going to Tagum City, everyone. And no, sorry. Mag-add to me. Ito may magtapok sa Babak Gym. So let's go! Hey, let's go!
Let's go, Dabra!
It's a morning walk. We're back, baby. We're back. Mga nang, oh. Kumusang tulog, guys? Pakinggan mo yung tulog natin dyan.
Tulog mo? Tagalog?
Saan sa natulog?
Buongiorno, bang hindi na rin naganda. 11, Apple Drive.
Hi, Ate Bara. Good morning. Ka-fresh sa ka-friend. Uy. Eat well, mga tao. Pag-isa maning papa. Hey, hello. Wow. Naka-place lang, Lord. Lord, naka-place lang, Lord.
Tagum City! Nag-enjoy sa champion! First runner-up is Tagum City!
Mami Coco, thank you. Bakit di ka mo smile? Picture. Picture mo na.
Get out 20 of its members, not 2 thirds. However, during the